show what your mind wishes to hold. So tonight I will let you go.